Okay, what is this?
Mom,
Jaden, what is this?
presents.
From?
Mom and Dad.
Who's my mom and dad?
Grandma and Grandpa. Next to it.
Okay. Who's it to, Caleb?
Us. Can I see? Can I see?
What does it say? It
I don't know.
says the Salisbury Boys. Is that you? Is that you? It is.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Is this for a late birthday or what is this?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Come on, Mom. Presents.
It's just presents?
Oh, come on. That's not. Sorry.
Squishing my. Squishing.
Here, let's read the card first. Hang on. It says the Salisbury Boys. Oh. Happy Valentine's Day. Sending you armfuls of Valentine hugs. Happy Valentine's Day. Hope you have a fun day. Love, Grandpa and Grandma.
That's them. Valentine's Day.
Bless you.
Mine first.
This says Caleb.
Already have
That's it, Jaden.
sure.
Wow. Nice.
What's this?
Look at that. Let's see. This is 4, 5. What does yours say?
Yeah, this says 6, 7.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Shall we see what's in this one?
Yeah.
It doesn't have a name on it at all. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Who is this? Who's this for?
I don't know. I do.
Who do you think it's for? Do you know?
Baby.
Wow.
Ew.
Ooh, what?
That's stinky.
It's not stinky. It just needs to be washed. Here. Look, what's on here? Little-
Frogs.
They look like aliens to me.
Ooh.
Mm.
Mom, look on the bottom.
What is that?
Huh?
Is that a baby magazine?
Yeah.
Okay. Come here.
This baby is singing around.
All right.
Okay.
3. Thank you, Grandpa and Grandma.